iMessage stuck on activation error? Here are the best ways to fix it on iPhone. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Apps, then Messages. Turn iMessage off, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Make sure your phone number or Apple ID is selected. Swipe down to open Control Center. Turn airplane mode on, wait 15 seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your network connection. Go to Settings, tap General, then tap Date and Time. Turn on Set automatically. Wrong time settings can block iMessage activation. Go to Settings, then tap Cellular. Turn cellular off, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on. If needed, force restart your iPhone. If it still doesn't work, sign out of your Apple ID, then sign back in. Or go to Settings, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap Reset Network Settings. This often fixes stubborn activation errors. And that's it. iMessage should now activate normally.